Hello, my name is Stefano Tempesta. I'm a Microsoft MVP and a chapter leader for CRM UG Switzerland. I'm starting a series of videos and relative blog posts about Dynamics 365 Enterprise Edition and integration with other systems. And we'll start today with this integration as a journey towards Dynamics 365 in the middle of a mix of other systems to integrate, to exchange data, and making all together part of a overall solution. And then we'll mention a bit about some patterns, specifically in the context of enterprise service bus and the publish subscribe pattern that can be implemented. Although we won't enter too much into details in this video, there will be more that will follow and where we spend more time on implementation of these and other integration patterns in a service bus. Your CRM system is very likely part of a portfolio of different systems that talk to each other, like an ERP system, a website, mobile apps, data warehouse, and so on. So all of them talk to each other. All these connections, point to point, represent a challenge because, as you see, they create a tangle architecture, what I like to call as a spaghetti style architecture. And for as much I like spaghetti being Italian, I don't think that in software architecture this is a right or a correct approach to take. There are different challenges in terms of scalability. Every time you want to replace a system, you have to make sure that all the connection points are replaced. Different data format, different technologies, and also security is at stake because you have to protect each endpoint and make sure that each endpoint has its level of high availability redundancy for providing the business continuity that you would expect in such an integration architecture. So what's the solution? Well, an enterprise service bus is a broker system, a third-party system, kind of middleware that provides the level of integration, a translation between the format of your data and input and the format of your data at destination. It provides message queuing, which is a way for guaranteed delivery of your message. If the system at destination is not available for any reason, the message is queued for a certain period of time, and a retry mechanism guarantees the message itself can be delivered at destination. Or the other way around, if the system at destination is too slow to receive enough messages and cannot cope with the demand, think of a fax machine or an SMS gateway, for example, the SB can throttle the flow of messages and make sure that they are all delivered. And security is also guaranteed by the ESB through a mechanism called push of the message, where a system sending a message will publish this information in the ESB, and application that wants to receive that information subscribe to the specific topic. So only these applications that have a subscription to the topic are able to receive the message in question. Besides message queuing and topic subscription, enterprise service buses provide a possibility to create workflows, so automate processes in terms of data integration between systems and relays. So the possibility also to send messages in real time, so not only through queues. I will focus on enterprise service bus specifically in the context of Azure. Azure provides a service bus that is able to deliver all these functionalities, and we will see in the next videos and blog posts in the context of Dynamics 365. Now, let's think of a plugin in your CRM solution. you want to send a message to the bus, and then bus will dispatch the message to any other system that is subscribed to receive that specific message in a topic. So you will create a client to the topic, which is your connection to the service bus, serialize the message, typically in a JSON format, although not necessarily, wrap as a broker message, which means it will be taken care by the enterprise service bus and sent at destination. When you want to receive the message back from the enterprise service bus, for example, as part of a workflow, you will do a kind of a similar approach where you create a subscription client, which is basically your access to the topic that you subscribe to, deserialize the message, and then you obtain your entity back for use in as part of your workflow. And that's all for this video. More videos and more blog posts will come. So if you're interested to this topic, follow the XRM and Beyond blog posts on the Dynamics community. My social coordinates are also on screen. If you want to get in touch, I'll be happy to support your integration challenge. Thank you.